Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and healthy at home. So, today we will do our grammar chapter, the noun. Let's start with some examples. Read these sentences carefully first. Like first sentence is Dia is playing outside. Second, the dog barks at the strangers. Third, I live in Abohar. And fourth, he writes with a pen. So in first sentence, Dia is the name of a person. In second sentence, dog is the name of an animal. And in third sentence, Abohar is the name of a city. And in fourth, pen is the name of a thing. So the name of person, place, animal or thing is called noun. Like this time where you are sitting. For example, you are sitting in your room and you can see so many things around you like table, chair, bed, television, computer, pen, pencil. All these things have different names. And the names of these things are called nouns. Now we will do the definition of noun. You can note down the definition in your notebook. Right. A noun is a word used for people, place, animal or thing. You can write example here also. You can add different examples like dog, table, chair. Name of anything you can write. Name of people, name of place, name of thing, etc. Now we will do the kinds of noun. First kind is common noun, second proper noun, and third is collective noun. Note down the kinds of noun also in your notebook. Now I will explain the kinds of noun. First I will explain common noun and proper noun side by side. What are common nouns? Common nouns are the names of people, animal, places or things of same kind. For example, boy, girl, city. And proper nouns are the particular or special names given to the common nouns. For example, Riya, Ram, Abohar. Like you are a boy or a girl. That is your common name. But for example, your name is Ruchika. That is proper noun. Like we are living in Abohar. Abohar is the name of our city. So Abohar is the proper noun, but city is the common noun because city we use for all other cities. That is the common noun. One more thing. Proper noun always begin with capital letter. Like when you write your name, you always write first letter capital of your name. When we write Abohar, we always write A of Abohar capital. So, proper noun always we start with capital letter. Here's some more example I'm giving related to common nouns and proper nouns. Like here, boy and girl, these are common nouns. But Ram and Ruchika, these are proper nouns, and R of Ram and R of Ruchika, both are capital because always proper nouns first letter capital. Next example, city. This is a common noun, but Agra and New Delhi, these are proper nouns. Next one is rivers. River is a common noun, but Ganga and Yamuna, these are proper nouns. Next example, days. Day word is a common noun, but Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, these are proper nouns. Next one is countries. This is common noun, and India, France, names of the country, these are proper nouns, and always first letter of proper noun is capital. Next we will do collective noun. Collective nouns are the words for group of people, animals, or things. Collective nouns are for the groups of people, persons, animals, or things, not for a single person or animal, but for the groups. For example, army. Army is a collective noun because it is a group of soldiers, not a single soldier, but group of soldiers. Bouquet, a group of flowers. Fleet, a group of ships. Herd, group of cattle. And pride, a group of lions. So collective nouns are the words used for the group of people, animal, or things. Hope you understood the topic noun and kinds of noun. Now you can do the exercises related to this chapter in the grammar book. Already I have sent the exercises on the app as homework. You can take help from there and revise this chapter properly. Have a good day. Thanks.